Okay, Lucky. So you're gonna write about the ocean. Can you hear me on the microphone, Lucky? Awesome. So, do you mind if I record the rest of our conversation today so that I can use it with my supervisor so that he can see how I work with you? Is that okay? Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, so we are working on the assignment called Writing a Poem. And we've discussed that you would like to write about the ocean. So you see I put up on the board here the word ocean, and then I asked you to tell me what you'd like to say. So you indicated that it's a peaceful, clean ocean. So it is a peaceful, clean ocean. What else can you say about the ocean? What are some other things that you think about when you think about the ocean? Yes, that's good. That is true. Good. So we now have, whoops, I made a mistake. Oh my goodness. There are a lot of sea animals in the ocean. Okay, so now we have two things to say about the ocean. Well, three things. It is a peaceful, clean ocean. There are a lot of sea animals in the ocean. So those are really good details. Can you tell me a little bit more? Have you ever been to the ocean, Lucky? Have you gone swimming in the ocean? Have you been on a boat in the ocean? What more do you know about the ocean? I'm just being quiet while you type because it looks like you're still writing. Ah, there we go. I was on a boat and it was beautiful view, like seeing a blue sky and sea. Perfect. I love that. I love the language that you're using, Lucky. So I'm going to go ahead and basically type what you just typed. I was on a boat. Whoops. I was on a boat and it was beautiful. Blue sky and sea. So I wrote most of what you wrote as well, but I just took out a couple of words. I just changed it a little bit because what I'm basically doing is just taking the things that you want to say about the ocean and putting them into lines instead of writing like complete sentences and a paragraph. We're just kind of taking the ideas and we're going to turn those ideas into a poem. Do you see how I'm doing that? And we might even move some of the sentences around so that it makes a little more sense. So for example, the sentence that you just wrote, I was on a boat and it was beautiful, blue sky and sea. Then I think I'm going to take this line and put it underneath. And I'm going to change it from it is a peaceful, clean ocean to it was a peaceful, clean ocean. Because we started with past tense. And then we're going to take your other line and change it to past tense. There were a lot of sea animals in the ocean. Now, what are some animals that live in the sea, Lucky? Ah, look at all of those animals. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what we want to do is figure out a way to write about those animals in your poem. So I've separated your poem so far into your first stanza, which is your first set of lines that says, I was on a boat and it was beautiful, blue sky and sea. It was a peaceful, clean ocean. There were a lot of sea animals in the ocean. And then we're going to add sharks and lionfish, salmon, whales. Whoops, I need a comma. Hold on. Salmon, whales, and pufferfish. Hammerheads too. So now we have another stanza that talk about all the different animals that you might find in the sea. Okay, what do you think so far? How's your poem coming along? Is it looking pretty good? Awesome. And then let's maybe come up with, if we can, maybe two more lines to end it with. So maybe tell me what you think about the ocean or how the ocean makes you feel. I think you're still typing, Lucky, so I'm just going to wait for you. No rush. I'm just letting you know I'm still here. Ah, that is fantastic, Lucky. Do you listen to ocean sounds when you try to sleep at night? Because I know that's hard for you sometimes. No. Have you ever tried that before? Listening to white noise or sounds of the ocean or water or anything like that? No. Maybe that's something that you should try. I know sometimes sleep is hard for you. All right, buddy. So here's the poem, I think. Tell me what you think and if we need to make any changes. I was on a boat and it was beautiful. Blue sky and sea. It was a peaceful, clean ocean. There were a lot of sea animals in the ocean. Sharks and lionfish, salmon, whales, and pufferfish, hammerheads too. The ocean feels calm and quiet. Reminds me of sleep. What do you think? Do you like your poem?